This is the weather forecast video for Monday, February 28th, 2011. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite image taken last evening. You can see some thunderstorms over Indiana, Illinois, down into Missouri, and into eastern Oklahoma. Several severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings, several severe thunderstorm and tornado watches last evening. None of that occurred in the state. Here's the watch warning map. This was taken about 10:40 p.m. last evening. You can see 3 tornado watches from Illinois down into Oklahoma. Winter weather advisory over the southeastern counties of the state that expired at 6 a.m. this morning. QPF chart. This is over the next 5 days. This is through Friday evening at 6 p.m. Most of the precipitation you see over the state of Iowa occurred last evening into this morning, with only maybe up to a tenth to a quarter of an inch by Thursday. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. You can see a vortex over about Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Down below, the state of Iowa will be rather quiet today after some freezing drizzle early, but most of the precipitation is south and east of the state where some severe weather is possible there. We skip ahead to Thursday at noon. Zonal flow over the country with a bit of a disturbance out to the west, and down at the surface you can see some precipitation moving in. The 540 line will be just close enough that some rain, possibly freezing rain or snow or sleet, is possible, especially in the northern counties. By Friday at midnight, that 540 line is still right near the Iowa-Minnesota border, dipping into northwest Iowa, so some freezing rain, sleet, or snow is possible, mainly in the northern counties north of US 20. By Friday at noon, most of the precipitation is now out of the state, with some cloudy skies and cooler conditions at that time. By Saturday at noon, there is a trough out just to the east of the state with a vortex, and down at the surface you can see a low pressure system located at about Louisville, Kentucky, with most of the heaviest precipitation over Indiana and Illinois, just some lingering clouds over the eastern counties of the state and nothing more. So we head to Sunday at noon of disturbance on the backside of this deepening trough over the east coast, and down below at the surface you can see some light to possibly moderate snow moving into the northwestern counties of the state. This will last through Sunday evening. Heading into the Voodoo country, this is Monday, March 7th at 6 p.m. You can see some precipitation moving in with a large storm out to the west. By Tuesday evening, March 8th, that storm is now located near Kansas City. Most of the will be in the warm sector with some rain, possibly some snow in northwest Iowa. Heading off till Sunday, March 13th, you can see another storm near Altus, Oklahoma. Heavy snow possible over the state. And at the end of the forecast period, on March 15th, zonal flow over the country with a bit of a vortex over Southern California. Down at the surface, looks rather muddled. Southerly flow, Gulf open. Could be some rain, snow possible once again over the state. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.